favorite breakfast today. Oh wow, milk! What? It's empty. Fruit Loops are my favorite. Now what will I have? But this box is really very beautiful. The character of this Fruit Loops is really very good. I don't want to throw it. Can I make something out of it? Oh, my novels and books and this. Yes, I can make something really good out of it. This cereal bowl, this and this, everything will be so good. Yeah, I'll make something out of it. Oh, Kudoz! Hi Kudoz! This is me Anika and welcome back to my YouTube channel Kudoz Craze. Fruit Loops are my favorite cereal, but this box is empty now and I don't want to throw it because these characters are really beautiful. So, I'm gonna make something really creative out of it, and that is bookmarks. So let me show you how to make it. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. Hi! Hi, we are Fruit Loops. Hey, you're not Fruit Loops. Then, what are we? We are on Anika's channel. Say hi to Kudoz. Oh, okay. Hi Kudoz. Where is Anika? She is coming in a while. Okay. So Kudoz, do you want to see how our owner Anika created us? Yes, I also want to see. Okay, sure. Where are the Fruit Loop basket? Oh, I'll call him.
Hey Kudoz, here I am. So, please watch the video to the end so that you can see how Anika created us.
Yeah. Hi.
And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Anika's channel Kudoz Craze.
Oh, call the Fruit Loops upstairs. Okay.
Hey everyone, I'm back. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and don't forget to make us. Bye. Bye. Hey, you forgot me.
No, oh sorry, you just say bye to them.
Oh yeah. Bye Kudoz. See you in the next video.
Bye.
So I hope Kudos you liked watching this video, and please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Not only with the box of Fruit Loops, you can make bookmarks out of your favorite character, and you can also take the pictures from your favorite biscuit box as well. Please share this video with your all family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Say bye. Bye.